Recording.
Good morning, my elk watching family. I am entering the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. This is a Wednesday, August, maybe 19th. I just passed a sign that said that one of these roads is closed. I find that hard to believe. It's not that one. It said road on the right was closed, but yeah, I don't know. Well, let's go find some elk. They are not here today. But the turkeys are out. I guess if I were doing videos on turkeys, the turkeys seem to always be in this little location. I'm on the Ducati 848 today. I rode it yesterday, and I was amazed at how many people, like that red Jeep just did, would look in the rearview mirror, put on their right turn signal, and pull off and let me by. That never happens on any other bike that I have. And I don't know why it happened on this one. But I am grateful when people let slower traffic pass. If you look in the rearview mirror and you've got traffic stacked up behind you, you might be the problem on the roadways. All right. This is where we saw that big old bull elk on Friday. Today, nothing. Nothing. Here, elk. Elk, elk, elk. Here, elk. No elk. I just talked to two awesome guys on BMW GS's from Ohio. I didn't catch their names. Damn it. But yeah, they're going down to Walhalla today. I gave them some tips and some things to look for. Maybe, cross your fingers, they're not going to Walhalla. I sent them to War Woman, Clayton. I told them about the Rusted Bike Cafe. If any of you watch a lot of my videos or hear me chat about War Woman in Clayton, Georgia, one of your destinations needs to be Rusted Bike Cafe. You won't be disappointed. We're just not going to see elk today. It's just not happening. It's just not happening. This is the perfect day for them to be out. It's sunshiny, 62 degrees. Got a big camper ahead of us. My life doesn't get any better. I was talking to this really nice Indian woman this morning in Cherokee. We both agreed that living here has kind of changed our, I don't know, the things we take for granted. You know, I live in one of the most beautiful locations on earth, but sometimes I fail to see it, and I'm trying to do better. But yeah, it's funny because I open my front door, and the view from my front door and my third floor is the Chirahela Skyway. Can't ask for more in life than that. And then I get to ride these mountains whenever I want. That's kind of a bonus. And I feel like they've been moving the surveillance cameras through the mountains. Where I've seen them previously, they don't seem to be there in that location anymore, but there seem to be in other places. South Carolina. Man, the new Tacoma looks like they copied the Nissan Frontier, doesn't it? It looks very similar in the back end to a Nissan Frontier or the Nissan Titan.